Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to our channel. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. I'm glad to be here, and I'm glad you're tuning in, taking some time out of your weekend to take a look at this video. You know, what's going on in the market? There's a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of things going on. Uncertainty, but we've got tidbits of good information that should drive euphoria of the market to go higher. Is the market looking for a bottom? Has the market found a bottom? There's a lot of things going on, and many of you are sitting back and you're wondering, what the flying flip should I be doing? Well, this video is going to start to hone in on some of the things that you can take advantage of right now, outside of the news, outside of all of the pundits, outside of just everything, and put you in the right space to be able to make money. Why? Because you got to trade the chart, not your heart. There's some stocks that are moving. There's industries that are moving that are giving you an opportunity to make some money, whether longer term or shorter term. And I'm going to talk about both of those today. For my swing traders, I'm going to help you out. For my day traders, I'm going to help you out. But, you know, from the mainstay of what's going on, should you be buying stocks right now? Well, the VectorVest system as of today says we don't advocate you buying stocks. So why are you putting out a video talking about what stocks I should buy? Because there's reasons why these stocks, these industries are moving, and we're going to get into that today. Let's start off by getting into the software. All right, start off from the homepage. We see a nice big move as I record this video. Could the market have found the bottom and starting to rebound? That's the question that's on everybody's mind. You know, I'm looking at the Dow up over 1%, the NASDAQ up over 2%, the S&P 1 in 500 up 1.5%, the VectorVest composite up as well. In our color guard, we've got more yellow than we have red. So everything is starting to push to the direction of we might be having an issue, a way to go to the upside. Have we found the bottom? Well, you know, I just did a video that came out talking about when the market finds a bottom and what to look for after it has found the bottom. I've got nothing that says that we've definitely found the bottom. Today could be a good blast off day, but I'm going to look for more things before I take advantage. I'll talk about that in a second. The MTI and buy to sell ratio. The buy to sell ratio yesterday did close below the value of 0.20, and the MTI closed below the value of 0.60. Man, everything is looking good for the market to actually be looking for a bottom. But let me show you something. Let's go to the graphs. Here's the last 3 months of the VectorVest composite. This is to trade your chart, not your heart. No matter what news is out there, trade what the market gives you. I want to show you something. Up day, down day, up day, down day, down day, up day, down day, up day, down day, down day, up day, down day, up day. Nice up day today. What don't you see happening if this is a market bottom? I don't see 2 consecutive green days to let me know that the market has follow through. That was in my video that I just put out. Looking for follow through before you pull the trigger. A lot of people have gotten in on these up days only to have gotten hurt in their portfolios. All right, only to have gotten hurt in their portfolios. I want you to keep your eyes on this downtrend because I'm going to show you what stocks have been making headwinds to the upside even though the market is moving down. All right, let's go into the news. I got some news articles for you that I want to start off with. Starting off here, where do we sit? This is a CNN business site, the Fear and Greed Index. We're not only in the fear mode, we are in the extreme fear mode. I can look at that by way of our buy to sell ratio. With so many stocks being sell recommendations, the buy to sell ratio is low. That's why we use it as an indicator to start to look for a bottom. This just helps to back up the whole idea that people are really, really nervous in the market. The VIX is above 20. All right, there's a lot of fear in the market. People are calling it blood in the streets. When you normally hear blood in the streets, that means it's time to buy. Let's wait for confirmation before we start to buy. Now, what are my industries? Defense. Now, I have a stock that I want to look at, but I'm at a site called Defense News. I want you to see what kind of news is out there. Defense Innovation picks 4 firms to test one-way drones. U.S. allies rush to refit their big guns with GPS protections. Cargo ship hits tanker carrying jet fuel for the U.S. market. Defense companies jack up Germany's auto industry to make weapons fast. U.S. arms flow back into Ukraine again as the Kremlin mulls ceasefire proposals. How Poland straddles a transatlantic defense divide. NATO asks allies for 30% capability boost, top commanders say. I didn't want to just pick out one story. I wanted you to see the headlines of the boost in defense, especially in the European sector, whether it's Germany, whether it's Poland. A lot of other peoples, when we pulled back from Ukraine, we're starting to push more aid towards Ukraine. The whole idea of defense is creeping up in a big way. I've got a defense stock for you. Gold. Everybody knows that gold is rocking and rolling. Gold price beats or breaks through a $3,000 price barrier. A lot of times, we look for those psychological moves before they continue to move higher. You know, you look at, oh man, the Dow broke this level, the NASDAQ broke this level, the S&P broke this level. Well, gold broke a level of $3,000. What's driving the rally? Let's scroll down. Analysts, no, hold on. There we go. Many analysts have said that growing global economic uncertainty, keyword there, uncertainty and geopolitical turmoil continue to support gold prices even at these elevated levels. So again, that fear factor, the understanding of what's going on in the market is driving gold prices higher. There's a couple of gold stocks that I want you to keep your eyes on. What else is moving? Quantum. Now, this is my short-term play. Remember when I put that quantum portfolio together? I said what's going to move quantum over the year is going to be news. When people come out with good news about advancements in quantum, quantum will move. Qubits did that. Here's some other stories. Singapore invests $24 million in quantum and supercomputing integration. Blue4s and Q-Blocks announced collaboration to advance quantum computing infrastructure. Again, news that's going to bolster the quantum space. D-Wave just came out with a practical use application for quantum that nobody else has done yet. D-Wave was on the rise. Now, the interesting thing about the quantum space, why it's my short-term play, is because once the news wanes, they're going to get hit again. But qubits might give you some more opportunity for short-term gains, maybe for the next couple of 2 to 3 days. After that, I think quantum goes back into its little slumber until somebody else can bring out some good, innovative news when it comes down to quantum. This is my short-term play. Short-term play. Why is D-Wave? What breakthrough did D-Wave Quantum announce? Beyond classical computation and quantum simulation, claiming to have achieved quantum supremacy with its annealing quantum computer. Again, short-term play, news-driven, but I think it's got just a little bit more legs to the upside, so I definitely want you to keep your eyes on that. All right, so that's the news for the stocks that I have. Let's go look at the stocks that I have for you today. Now, again, I'm looking at the move of the VectorVest composite. Let me move that over. Nice open candle. We had a nice open candle here back on 3.5. No follow through. Nice open candle today. This is why I'm telling you to keep your powder dry. Keep your powder dry. But these industries, these stocks that I'm going to talk about are moving, and I just gave the news behind why they are moving, why they are going against the grain of the market. I am of the mindset that we want you in safe, undervalued stocks rising in price in a rising market. The market is not rising. This is looking at the reasons why these industries and these stocks are rising. Let's go to the viewers tab. Here's 5 stocks for you. In the mining space, Orla. I am hot on Orla right now. It is rocking and rolling up another 4% today. Qubits, look at that, D-Wave. Because of that news of quantitative or quantum supremacy, 41% today. Big moves like that say, I don't think that it's got a lot more room to run to the upside. A lot of people are making money in it right now, but I'm going to walk you through how to look at that stock. EPOL, this goes with my defense plays. Poland and Germany are my two foreign companies that I like in the defense play. Let me walk back something as well. Why am I really looking at Poland and Germany? I'm going to go back to the home page. This is why. And this is the first time in a long time that I've seen this happen. Our top industries in the market, and Ryan did a video on this. ETFs foreign, bank foreign, ETFs foreign country, ETF shorts, which is taking a hit today, which makes sense, and ETFs foreign international. 4 of the top 5 industries are dealing with foreign entities, whether they're banks or ETFs. I had to put that into this video because these countries are bolstering up defense. So I like this play both from the foreign play and defense as well. Let's go back to the viewers. So that's why I'm looking at Poland and I'm looking at Germany. Both are up nicely. These are ETFs. RTs on all of these stocks or ETFs are above 1, which means they're all in an uptrend in a downtrending market. My other play for defense is RNMBY. Stock is still kicking it. Notice that the majority of these stocks, look at that, undervalued, RV above 1. Quantum is my short-term play. Not fundamentally sound, but RT is above 1. And RNBY, undervalued, RV above 1. I like these plays. I think that these stocks can make you some money in your portfolio. Let's go quick on graph them all. Orla. What can you say about Orla except for, ooh-wee? I just went through puberty. Sorry about that. Undervalued, rising value, still continuing to hit new highs on a 3-month graph. Love the volume. That's a no-brainer. Going to qubits. This is the shorter-term play. A lot more volatile in its move, but nice move based off of the news. Where am I looking at? See this level right here? $7.68. That's where I'd be getting out of the stock if I'm just getting into it now. Or better yet, let's say you get in 5 cents higher than the high, halfway through this candle. First stop I'll give you is $8.60. The next level I'm going to give you $7.68. Plain and simple. This is a short-term play. Nice big move in a short amount of time. Normally will retrace and come back down. There's the volume behind it. There's a lot of conviction behind the move. Let's go to the next stock. Whew. EPO, that's Poland. Bottom left, top right, RT killing it. RT killing it. Again, Poland and Germany are my plays because they sit on the home page as industries that are on the rise, and back that up with the influx of more investment into defense in the European side of the world. And then the next stock, RNBY, not a lot of information because we just started tracking it. The stock is up almost 100% year to date. Look at that volume. And the last one is Germany. Germany, bottom left, top right. Again, they play both in the space of foreign and in the space for defense. Folks, you're right. We shouldn't be buying stocks just quite yet. But these are stocks in industries that are on the rise that can definitely make you some money right now. We know that the fear is out there. We know that there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. What I'm trying to do right now is put you in a space where you can make money outside of all of the stuff that's going on and do it successfully. That's the power of the VectorVest software. That's the power of doing research behind the stocks that you pick as well. Hopefully you enjoyed this. For those of you who are brand new to the channel, this is great information. If you like it, and you feel that it's useful, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon. Everybody else, if this put an opportunity to make money in a jacked up everything, all right, just type useful. Just type the word useful and let me know that it was useful. And don't forget to hit the like button. Folks, thank you for allowing me to spend some time with you this weekend as you look at this video. Let's make some money. That's what it's all about. Trade the chart, not your heart. Don't worry about what everybody else is saying. Don't worry about all the fear. All that stuff is out there. You can't change it. I can't change it. Let's just make some money. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.